Morning everybody. 35 degrees out on, I clicked the date, hold on a minute. 6:50 in the morning on September 7th. It is 35 degrees, 95% humidity. So really cold. Well guys, there was a frost. You can see a little bit of a whiteness over the land. It's 34 degrees now and the sun is starting to come up, but you can sort of see the white on the ground. We covered, I hear Melanie's in shorts and a t-shirt making funny noises. I don't know why, I've got my coat on. I'm laughing at her. She's funny. I wish you could hear her on the camera. We covered everything last night as much as we could. The kale, obviously, we left because it's not going to be harmed. And we grabbed every tarp, every cloth, even a car sun windshield thing. We grabbed everything we could. Try to protect the plants. Obviously the corn we couldn't save, but hopefully it won't be affected. It's like grass. Now I've got to come out here in a little bit and rip all these off because it's going to be warm again today. And over here, every single tarp and every single thing that we come up with, we covered it all last night. Formed a tent here. I took all my electric fence posts down real quick and I formed a tent here. You can see frost on the grass here, and the cabbage type things have a white coating on them, so I'm happy we did what we did because our plants are just starting to grow. Now some of these tomatoes we were not able to cover. The beans I couldn't really, with the framing that Melanie has up, I couldn't really cover them. So I don't know what they'll look like until later today. So I guess we'll see. Well, I gotta get in and get working on a video, but you can see I started weeding again. There's a little bit of a bare patch. Melanie did half and I did half. We started weeding. Last night we sat down and this is just ongoing. These weeds are just unbelievable. These sorrel, the sorrel. It's really hard to eradicate once it starts growing. And that'll be covered again in about 3 days. But anyway, I'll get in and get working on the video for today, which was yesterday's work. We'll come back later and see how things turned out. I have to uncover these when I'm done editing a video. There's a haze on the land. Can you see it? There's this dark haze over the land. Thick, foggy. Hey guys, I'm hauling firewood in out of the forest that I cut a week or so ago. I've been working off the property for a while in exchange for more firewood, which I have to go get next week. Right now I'm hauling in all the pine that I cut and is laying out there. I'm hauling it with a wheelbarrow because at this time I don't have anything else, but I got quite a few wheelbarrows left to haul out of the forest, so I'm stacking it here, and I'm experimentally trying an idea somebody gave me right here. Somebody on YouTube suggested putting a log up this way and then two this way, leaning down, and that'll give me a straight edge up. So I'm trying this out today, see how it works. I'm on a bit of an angle here, so I might have to work that out because the ground is sloped here, but we'll see how that turns out and if I can pull that tipped edge out of it. See if I can fix that. But this is going to be more, this is going to be a bigger stack than that stack, obviously, because I'm coming out farther past the trees. But anyway, I gotta go get some more. the last of the pine from over here that I have cut. I still have to work on the oak. I found some dead oak over there that I've cut up. Might be able to find a fair amount of oak out in the woods just from dead branches. I'm not cutting any trees down. There's not enough oak around here to mess with. I don't want to cut any good ones out, but I'll take the dead branches that are down and I'll use them for firewood. It's good warmth. What is wrong with this one? It's all BTUs. There's a big one. Maybe I can turn this around, eh? Don't know how stable that'll be. Little stuff I'm still tossing up higher. Keep it stacking. Good for fire starting in the mornings. That'll dry out nice. Be ready for me. I got some oak out of the woods. A lot of small stuff, twigs, some big stuff. It's a decent log. It'll burn. It's all BTUs. Problem is, oak is gnarly. It's harder to stack. It's awkward. All dead wood out of the forest. I got another wheelbarrow load to haul. And that'll about cover what I had from the that day I cut out there. Well, there's a nice piece. Yeah, one more load. And that's it for today. So there's what I got so far. It's growing. It's a growing pile. We're going to be better off this year. I won't be cutting firewood all winter this year. Not like I was last year. Especially when I get the firewood I gotta go get next week. And I'm going to still keep cutting pine. I want to get a whole mess of pine and mix it up. Pine in the day and oak at night. Well, that's it. If I go trim off some branches, I've got another wheelbarrow. So that'd be, I did 5 today. It's a long haul and I had to cart it through the woods to get it to the road. But I did 5 wheelbarrows today and I've got another wheelbarrow if I trimmed off the branches from logs I cut. I'll do that another time. It's getting late in the day. But yeah, I think we'll be okay this winter. Good morning, everybody. Well, last night they said it would be 47 degrees, and it was 47 degrees. The previous night they said it was going to be 40 degrees, and it was 34 degrees. So, and it froze in town the other night too. So you just can't know what's going to happen with the weather, whether it's going to be what the weatherman says here or what it's not. So Anyway, I'll get this video up to you guys. It's Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Please like, subscribe, and share. Follow our daily videos as we strive to become self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget. Sorry I haven't had my coffee, so I'm slurring.